That surely must be good news, but it's dependent on who takes over. But it looks good at the moment.
I can see how disgruntled the fans were with the Glazers. I think they've been holding the club back for a while now, and it's time for some change. Him saying that coming back, everything was the same, the facilities were the same, the gym, the kitchen, and I think for him to come back after so long and everything to be the same kind of shows how much they were holding the club back, and there wasn't much progression.
Unfortunately, that's bad news because it will tarnish his reputation with us. It has affected a lot of fans, the way he's finished with the club. His first stint with us were amazing. His first year back was very good, but this year he's let himself down and the club.
I think I have a bit of an unpopular opinion. I was glad he did the interview. I think it takes some gumption to, speak up against a club that you play for. I think he knew the repercussions of doing the interview. I think he knew that he'd be sacked, or as he said, it was a mutual agreement between the both of them. I think it was time for his departure. You could see he was unhappy at the club. It wasn't what he thought it was going to be. I think he thought he'd come back and it'd be a glorious time at Man United, and it just wasn't.